Hey there, folks. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. See what it looks like. Oh, what a great shape. What a great weird shape. Okay. Well, we've got three circles that I can see. So three, if we could do this in three radial gradients, I believe. The first two are these loops, and then the other is this overlay. So let's see what we can do, see if that's going to hold. There was a question in the comments the other day about an older puzzle that had some circles. There was a wavy worm line, I believe, battle number 12, and the person inquired about, maybe doing it, having trouble getting it right. And sometimes, yeah, you have to do an element with radius, and sometimes, you can't quite do it with a radius and then border, something like that. And then sometimes you can do it with a gradients, which is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to load the nested template, but I'm not really going to do anything except background. So, and my first action is to put green on the overall. Right? Okay. And then I want a radial gradient. And that's going to get moved over. Let's see, how much of this can I do without looking, without getting the preview. So this is 100 at 130, so it's 130 over is the X background position. And I believe that's all I need to get this right. And I think what that inner width is, so we get a 1Q at 50%, no, at 50%, it's going to be transparent. And that's radius is something like 130 pixels. And then it's going to be this yellow. 130 pixels or 150 pixels. Oh, and then the color stop is 0. And then transparent. So that's kind of it. Oh, and super. Oh, there we go. So yes. The answer is yes. I got these numbers wrong. Let's fix them. 2, 10, 10, and then 160. No, 50, 40. So that's one. And then the next is very similar. We can almost just flop these numbers. And we say it's at 100%, right? And then it's at minus 130 pixels. And that might do it. That sure looks like a good match to me. Oh, wait, is it? There's a little bit of a ghostly outline, but sometimes there's an artifact there. Okay, so then the last thing is another radial gradient. And it's also a circle. So I'm going to put 1Q in. Oh, and I need not a period, I need that. And that is, it sure looks like it's more than 200 pixels. 210 pixels as a radius. And then yellow on the outside. Let's submit and see if that's right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It might be 100%. It is, and we're going to take it. Minify, unit replace, and submit, and that's my final answer. This is a great one. This is a particularly great one. Really like this. Probably some really interesting approaches could be handled here with elements and borders. Yeah. Additionally, you could make a single element that did one, and then you flop it, plop the copy, which might be a terser syntax, but that's good for now. Busy productive day here. The world continues to be the world, and it's frustrating. But be good to yourself, be good to each other, and go make a web page.